Hey guys, happy Wednesday to you. Welcome to the channel. Here's a little bench update on the Snap Tight 1/25th scale Chevy Caprice build off I'm doing. This is where we're at. I just got to do the front lights, the push bar, and the siren on top, and then decal it, and then put 2 coats of future floor polish on it. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, we got another kit to look at. This is Monogram 1964 Pontiac GTO 1/24 scale. Here's this side, dated 96. Here's this side, skill level 2. Let's have a look. Let me move the fire chief car out of the way for the moment. Here's our interior tub, wheel backs, intake, pulleys, dash. Here's our front suspension, our rear suspension, half our engine, whoops, our fan, our other wheel backs, our radiator, our heads, firewall, our steering wheel. Here's our seats, upper control arms, radiator hoses. Not sure what those 2 little pieces are. Our seat backs. Here's our chrome tree, front and rear bumper. We got some customs, look like centerline wheels almost. And then we have our stock GTO. What else do we got? Looks like we got center caps, carburetor, our blower if we want to put a blower on it, which I think is the only way you can build it. Oh no, you can't. Here's our stock hood, intake, other wheel backs. Here's our tires, which are Goodyear steel belted radials. Got 4 of those. Here's our other engine half. Looks like our headlights. What else? Our side glass. Here's our instructions. Did not come with decals. That's okay. I don't always like using decals anyway. There's that. Here's our other hood for the blower. Our glass. Got a few little smudges on the front. I might be able to polish that out. Here's our chassis. It's kind of nice how this is cut out for the the wheel openings. And here's our GTO body. It was obviously painted and stripped, which is okay. We'll get it cleaned up and primered. It won't look like it was ever painted. Only thing I'm not seeing is maybe the taillights are not with this kit. Or maybe they're just really small and I'm not seeing it. Hopefully it's all here. It looks like it is for the most part. It definitely looked like it had some cool decals with it. This will be my third GTO build. I don't know if I want to build it stock or custom. It would have looked really cool though with those decals on there. Anyway, so there we go. 1964 Pontiac GTO. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully I earned your like on it. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. And I will catch you in the next video. In the next video, we should have the fire chief car done for the group build off I'm doing. It's not coming out too bad for a snap together. I mean, it had a lot of parts for it being a snap together. But everybody have a great day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.